In today's video, I'll be making spider hole terrain pieces. For this, I'll use 3 layers of cardboard. I'll start off by drawing, then cutting out the template. And then I'll glue the layers together. Once the layers are glued, I'll then dig out a hole using a razor blade. Once carved out, I'll cover the base in glue and paper as a masking tape substitute. For the spider hole logs, I'll use broken down toothpicks. For the ground texture, I'll use these sand and rocks. For the spider hole trapdoor, I'll use this paper carton. The printed layer of paper will be peeled away to be used as leaves later. The building phase is complete, now to move on to painting. To start it off, I spray the base in a white primer. For the primary base coat, I use German Camo medium brown. The logs are painted in green brown. The log tips are painted in gold brown. The stones are painted in light gray. And I dry brushed the ground texture highlights using beige. The trapdoor was painted in orange brown. I'll then mix this ground cad sand with this medium brown paint to use as a camouflage mud texture for the trapdoor. Next, I'll add grass to the base. Next, I'll cut out leaves using the peeled printed paper from earlier. I also made different shaped leaves for various plants on the bases. For the plant stems, I used rolled up paper. And to keep the plants sturdy, I superglued them. They were then painted with mixtures of part green, bright green, and Luftwaffe green. Once the paint is dry, I then add the final finishes to the bases by gluing down the plants. That's also all for this video. I hope you all liked it.